How to build credit with Credit Karma tools. Want to go from zero credit to mid 600s without paying a penny in interest or annual fees? Credit Karma claims you can, using nothing but free dashboards, score simulators, and a credit builder line of credit. Today, we'll break down exactly how to use those tools step by step so you can turn an empty file or bruised score into a solid credit in under a year. And so, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. First things first, let's talk about what building credit really means. Number one, establishing data. Opening trade lines that report positive payments. Managing the data. Keeping utilization low, payments on time, and interest minimal. And lastly, monitoring the data. Spotting errors or fraud fast and fixing them before they tank your score. Now, Credit Karma primarily helps with Part 2 and 3 plus one unique product that tackles Part 1 if you're starting from scratch. And so, let's talk about the setup checklist. First, you have to open the application or website, and then you have to verify your identity. So, you can get the application from the App Store or Google Play Store, or you can just go ahead and use their web browser. You want to turn on push and email score alerts. You want to link your primary bank account so CK can estimate utilization in near real time. You want to enable two-factor authentication. Credit data is gold to hackers. And congrats, your personalized dashboard is live. And so, let's talk about the number one tool of Credit Karma. We have the Credit Factor dashboard. Think of this page as a color-coded performance review. 6-factor drive, Vantage score, payment history, utilization, derogatory marks, average age, total accounts, and hard inquiries. Green is good, yellow means caution, red needs immediate action. You can spend 10 minutes clicking each factor. You can read CK suggestions, then jot down a mini game plan. For example, if the utilization glows red at 55%, you want to set a calendar reminder to pay extra before the statement closes. The second tool is going to be the Credit Karma Money. It is the credit builder. If you have no open trade lines, the easiest starter is the CK's Credit Builder line of credit. Here's how it works. You move as little as $10 into a locked saving pod. CK opens a no-fee, interest-free revolving line of credit for exactly that amount. Now, each month it draws a tiny portion, then marks your one-time repayment to TransUnion and Equifax. From there, after 6 on-time payments, you'll have 6 positive months of history and the money you front-loaded still sitting in the pod. You can cancel anytime, withdraw the cash, and keep the good history. From there, we have the third tool. We have pre-qualified card marketplace. Now, once you have logged 3 to 6 positive months, you can hop to the card you're pre-approved for carousel. Credit Karma uses a soft pull to show real approvals, so browsing is a safe filter for no annual fee, reports to all 3 bureaus, optionally secured cards that graduate to unsecured. Think of it as secured or Capital One Premium secured. You can apply for one card only. Multiple hard pulls in a short window can slice 10 plus points. From there, we also have the Credit Score Simulator. This is my favorite geek feature. Punch in hypothetical actions. You can pay 300 on card A, opens a new 1000 limit card, or lets a 500 balance post. And the simulator estimates score movements. You can use it to strategize payoffs or decide whether a new inquiry is worth the temporary dip. It's not perfect, but it's shockingly close for big swings like dropping utilization from 70 to 15%. Now, for the fifth tool, we have real-time alerts and dispute portal. Fraud and reporting errors ruin score faster than anything. Credit Karma's monitoring pings you when a balance spikes, a new collection appears, someone initiates a hard inquiry, see something off, you can just tap dispute on the TransUnion. CK pre-fills the online dispute form, you upload a proof, and the bureau has 30 days to respond. Early detection alone saves dozens of points. And so, putting it all together, here's a 12-month playbook. Now for month 0, you can launch a CK profile, enable some alerts, and open the credit builder with $50. With month 3, score typically in the mid 500s, utilization is 0, payment history is perfect, you can use CK Marketplace to pre-qualify and snag one no-fee secured card that reports to all bureaus. From month 4 to 5, you can keep the new card statement, balance under 10%, let it age, and always auto pay. With month 6, the credit builder now shows 6 on-time payments. Consider bumping it deposit to pause available credit. Now, with month 7 to 9, you can use the score simulator, maybe request a credit line increase, often a soft pull, or open a single low fee installment credit builder loan from a credit union to diversify mix. And for month 10 to 12, with flawless payments and sub 10% utilization, you'll often break into the mid 600s, even low 700s if you started with some history. And now, let's talk about some pros and cons of the Credit Karma only path. For Pro, it is totally free, no interest, no annual fee. Soft pull previews prevent unnecessary hard inquiries. We have weekly score updates and instant alert keeps you mindful. Dispute pipeline save time dealing with bureaus. And for cons, it uses Vantage Score. While many lenders still underwrite with FICO, expect small differences on Credit Karma right here. Now, another con is that Credit Builder reports only to TransUnion and Equifax, no Experian, so results can lag a bit on the third bureau. Last con is going to be ad-driven model, means constant product suggestions, so you must go ahead and stay disciplined. And so, as a final verdict, Credit Karma won't wave a magic wand, but it does bundle every core ingredients of credit growth, data guidance, monitoring, and a starter trade line into one genuinely free package. You can follow the playbook, protect your utilization, never miss a payment, and within 12 months, you can transform an empty or wounded file into a lender-friendly territory without paying a dime in interest. And so, if the roadmap has been helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you on the next video, and thanks for watching.